Industries like manufacturing, energy and logistics are always looking to boost their potential, and our ultra-secure networks with fast local data processing are here to do just that. Make your best decisions quicker than ever before. Mobile Private Networks make sure that you and your employees have dedicated private connectivity with up to thousands of devices connected so that communication is as easy and fast as possible. Let's take a port as an example. This ship has just arrived and the automated crane is lifting off the containers. An employee crosses the security area where it could be dangerous when loading off products. An alert is immediately sent to the control room where they can instantly notify the colleague to move away from the security zone and log the incident in their database. With complete control over automated cranes and a real-time alert system in place, this port can load off in less time and coordinate work with increased productivity while keeping all employees safe. Mobile Private Networks provide all-round reliable network coverage without any interference. In addition, we pair MPN with MEC, Multi-Access Edge Computing, making data processing even quicker than in the cloud. Connect your high-performance systems with Mobile Private Networks and make your best decisions in a matter of milliseconds. Your digital transformation. Our innovative network solutions. Ready?